from heaven. Maybe using me a second. I feel the love and I wonder how. You kiss me in the party. You make me feel like crazy. Oh baby, I'm not in a dream. I see the sunlight shining on your shoulder.
Heat exchangers are good. Good morning and welcome to the channel. You're watching Shelby Exotics and I'm Ryan. It's raining like hell here in Michigan and I'm on my way to a client meeting, but I wanted to bring you up to speed on a couple things. The overheating issue that we had this weekend at the racetrack appears to be a bit more significant than we thought, or insignificant. Can't seem to pinpoint what it was. So we've gotten the oil and everything to the correct level. We've inspected all the heat exchangers, all the tubes going to the heat exchangers, and everything looks pretty good. So our next step now is number one, replace the oil fill cap. For those of you guys with the GT350 that have changed your oil, they have a new system for doing that. You only turn it 120 degrees to open it, which is about the scariest damn thing I've ever seen in my life. And I broke the tabs off it because that's what I do to shit. All you do is you put a 3/8 inch socket in the end of this thing and give it a turn, and that's all I did. But apparently you don't turn it the Polish way. Que sera, sera. I have a new one. It's $3.30 if you break the tabs off yours and your GT350, and we'll be picking that up today. Also picking up a R-Spec, actual OEM R-Spec splitter today from Ziegler Ford. So we'll be picking both of those items up. My arm's tired and I'm lazy. I'm going to be going to Stainless Works out of Streetsboro, Ohio, and I'm going to be putting on some long tube headers. I really wanted to try to avoid that, but I can't find, and maybe you guys know, please comment on it. If you do know a place that I can get just a cat delete pipe that will bolt right up and then into the flange for the mesh, where the mesh meets. Because I got to delete those cats. They're just sitting there frying and cooking the trans temps, and just at rough guess, the trans temps are 60 degrees off of normal. And that's the only temp that I found that was out of range on that car that would even be remotely close to the shutoff point. We ran about 282, and it looked like the red line on the digital response on the dashboard on both the R and the GT350 was 300. So we were close, you know. Still not there, but close. So we're going to go with the long tube headers and a cat delete. Which is going to allow that airflow to move back. It's going to keep me cooler in the cabin. Raining like a mofo now. Better pay attention to what I'm doing. It's pretty safe, isn't it? You can always see better through the camera than you can actually in real life. It's kind of cool. Maybe they should get rid of these windshield things and just go now. We're here on I-96 in between Lansing and wherever going on, heading out to Spring Lake, Michigan. So I know a lot of this video today is going to be talking, but one of the other things that we're going to do, we're going to get that airflow situation corrected. And then we're going to be doing an E85 or E90, E95 conversion on the 350. The more I read on it, the more I like it, the more I think it's going to be a better situation for that motor, the more I think it's going to add a little bit more power. But power is not the biggest reason I'm doing it. Engine durability and longevity, I think, is going to be the winner. It's going to boost the octane content, so we get rid of any opportunity for knock, as well as lower the exhaust gas temps, which obviously radiate heat into the cabin, and anytime you can reduce heat, you know, all the better. So we're going to be working with Rob a little bit down in Palm Beach to get the tune. I have ordered a X4 tuner for the 350. So we're going to be plugging that in, changing the fan turn-on rates and times, and also working with a company. We have the luxury here in Michigan where E85 isn't just available, it's made down the street. Carbon Bioenergy out of Lake Odessa is just down the street from my shop in Ionia. It's actually out of Woodland, Michigan. And we're going to be working with them on blending a special blend of fuel that's going to be well suited to the race car. So pretty excited about that. We're going to be consulting some other folks like Baker Engineering out of Nunica, who's got a lot of experience in tuning high performance vehicles specific to E85. And race vehicles for that matter, track focused cars. There's a company out of Minnesota called NTH, and they build Vipers, and they have worked extensively on E85 testing. There's been some very, very good results with that. Everybody's seen it online. We're not talking just about an E85 conversion, we're talking like an E90, E95 version that's really going to put us ahead of the game here on cooling, octane, and the ability to tune the vehicle and get more airflow and a little leaner mixture of fuel. So pretty excited about that. So we're going to get on the phone with Stainless Works. We're going to get our long tube headers ordered. Unless you guys can come up with a better means of deleting cats, which you should anyway. I feel like I'm riding a horse right now. I'm bucking the fuck out of this thing. Unless you guys can come up with a better means of converting a catless situation for off-road pipes. And I know it's not legal, and yes, I won't pass jack shit, but guess what? Race cars don't need to. All you guys in the fucking comments talking about shit like that. You think I don't know that? You think I wouldn't drive it on the street anyway? Yeah, we don't have inspection sites in Michigan because this is where we make cars. It's kind of like tobacco in North Carolina, bitch. You could smoke in McDonald's if you fucking want to down there. And up here, we can piss in our gas tanks and run that shit. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, that's the fucking scoop. That's one of them Camaro things. Chevrolet Camaro. All right, Corey's got a new toy. I'm 52% left. And 46 rear, so that's pretty cool though. All right, we'll close the door because that does make a little bit of difference tempo. That's neat. I gotta read about this bite. I gotta get the book. What's bite? I think that's the bite. Initial bite. Like forward bite, front bite, rear bite? Elevator bite? Now the bite changed it to the mouth. I don't know, I just got the thing the other day. Of course I had to buy stupid freaking ramps to pull it up on. You crack me up, dude. I like it. You gotta get race ramps to pull it up on. I like it though. Now, the real question is a EcoBoost truck capable of doing a burnout? I don't know. I guess anything's possible. Yeah, maybe not. Now you're gonna fucking get it. For real, that's all you got? Alright, so we got a little traction control issue here. Alright, alright, so we'll clear that. Like, that's the maximum capability of the EcoBoost. So oftentimes when doing a burnout, you have to choose the proper aggregate, which, if you don't know what the word aggregate means, it means base, or, you know, boiled down to its most simple material. So aggregate meaning in this case, you know, you got your tires, which we're going to change tires on here. We're going to beat the stock ones to pieces because, daggone it, I hate Hankooks anyway. Whoever buys a Hankook and thinks they got a good deal, they are cheap shit junk. Just saying. BFGs, yeah, I might have a little bit of sympathy for them, but that's where it ends. Because me and my friends, one thing we hate, and that's tires. So here we have what appears to be, I wouldn't call it a smooth pavement, I wouldn't call it, you know, pure asphalt, even though it is, you know, for the most part asphalt. Kind of turns to that concrete looking stuff, which concrete is a fantastic aggregate to do burnouts on if you're going for tire smoke. If you're going for burnout longevity, you want to gravitate towards a smoother concrete. So right now we have our traction control off, we're good. There's our rear view. So that's a bit more impressive there. It has a posi rear end. I don't know. We're definitely not getting a one-wheel peel, which I enjoyed. You know, you get yourself both wheels turning, you get twice the tire smoke, twice the activity, and just all around twice the fun. But the one thing I will tell you is I am a bit disappointed in this car's ability to function as a burnout. We're not gonna go to Mexico, we're going to fucking Japan, all right? This Mexico shit's getting old. And we're going to light some tires on fire. And we're gonna figure this whole burnout thing out. Hello and welcome to the channel. You are watching Shelby Exotics and I'm Ryan. And today we have some super exciting news. So stick around, make sure you stick around this week and watch the rest of what we got going on here. There is going to be a fantastic car delivery, not once, but twice. One may be finished and a new one is on its way here. I can't tell you exactly what it's gonna be yet, but I can tell you there will be a video this week, and also you will have the opportunity to see both cars along with my race car live and in person, live, large, and in charge this Saturday, August 11th. It's this coming Saturday, August 11th, 2018, because these videos do tend to stay around for a while. But yeah, this coming Saturday, August 11th, at 655 Lincoln Lake in Lowell, Michigan, Emotion and Corey are having a car show from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. at 655 Lincoln Lake in Lowell, Michigan. Come on out if you guys happen to be somewhere near the area, or if you're not and just want to drive up, what the hell. We got Grattan Raceway nearby. We got all sorts of stuff that you can do. We don't have Grattan Raceway rented, so don't blame us if you can't get in. That's your own damn problem. But we have some super cool cars for you to see. Super cool. Maybe one's done, maybe two are done. Maybe the race car will be there. Maybe there'll be two race cars there. I don't know. But the car that's coming is fucking epic. I'm excited. So stay tuned to the channel. This is gonna be a phantasmagoria week. So if this is your first time here, please subscribe. I don't know why I can't seem to get that out of my mouth, but please subscribe. Hit the bell. That's going to tell you this week, and this week only, if you click that bell, there's a little bell down there somewhere, ding, 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 ding. Click that, it's going to tell you exactly when I upload, and if you subscribe, it's going to give you a little notification that you've subscribed, but the only way to know when I post is hitting that little bell jobby there. And then you guys that like these videos, hit the freaking thumbs up, dude. We're getting killed right now with all the thumbs downs. Go back there and watch those videos again and hit thumbs up. What the hell? Let's all participate, all right? We're working hard over here. All we ask is a click. Thumbs up, subscribe, bell. thumbs up, subscribe, bell. Get her done. Stick around. This is going to be a sweet week.